Good morning, guys.
Welcome to the vlog.
Oh, welcome to the vlog. Welcome to the vlog.
Welcome to the vlog.
Our flight is at 8 o'clock a.m. So we're going to immigration, huh? We're going to the immigration. Time check. 5:19 a.m. Kakatapos lang namin sa immigration. At tayo ay pupunta na sa... Nagla-launch pa ba kayo? Hindi na. Abot pa yan.
Hello guys, welcome to the vlog. And we're going to Hong Kong. I'm going to meet Mickey, Minnie, and Mickey.
Ayan, pasok kami dito sa A-Lounge. Okay, kakain na muna ng breakfast. First meal of the day, lugaw and siomai. What are you eating?
Fish.
What's that? Sobrang daming pasahero. Are you ready sa 6 days natin? Yeah. Ikaw?
Yes.
Oh. Show them what you're reading. What's that book?
The Daydreamer.
Daydreamer. You're reading it? Yan ba yung binaro mo sa library? No, di ba?
It's a different one.
Different book yan? Ayaw nga.
It's which one is the real one? It has two options. There's different kinds. Like this stick.
Oh, okay.
And there's just one stick on here.
May puzzle siya.
Also, there's a pink dog and a blue dog.
Boarding na kami. Let's go. That's it, game. Let's go. Yes, naiwan na kayo. Let's go. Yeah. Takbo. Go. Chicken yan, nakasin tayo. Open ba? Press tayo. Hi guys! Hi! We're here in Hong Kong. It's 11 a.m. Grabe yung medyo turbulent yung flight. Nakakasukan ng konti. Oh, nakakahilo. Yes, we're here. Yeah. Carousel number 13. Guys. So, nakuha na namin yung gamit namin. Tanda namin aming sundo sa labas. Tingin na pa daw nag-aantay. Kaya Tagal maglabas sa carousel eh. Thumbnail agad oh.
Guys, welcome to the vlog. We're here at Hong Kong.
Alright. We're here in Disneyland Hotel. Nice. Here guys. Uy, sila uy. Time check 12:35 tanghali. Karating lang namin sa Disneyland Hotel. Kaso 3 PM pa daw ang check-in. So pupunta muna kami sa park hanggang mag 3 o'clock. Sayang oras eh. Pupunta na kami sa park 1 o'clock ng tanghali. Parehas kami ng damit. Kami ni Steven, naka Donald. Sila naka Daisy Duck. Parang cute. So 1:30 na. We're here in Hong Kong Disneyland. Steven, tatid ka na? Gutom ka na, no?
Yes.
Gutom na. Lika. Pasok ka tayo. Going in. Let's go. Right. Sinakto talaga ni Steph na ngayon pumunta kasi nga first time din namin makakapunta ng Disney ng Halloween, October, gaya yan. So Halloween team sila ngayon, sakto-sakto. Ay, ganda. Headband mo, patingin ako. Your glasses. Nice. Iron Man, can you show me yours? Can you see? Nice. Actually ngayon pala kami magla-lunch sa Tomorrowland, yung lagi naming kinakainan na chicken with fries. Sana wala masyadong tao. Kamali ako. Napakadaming tao. Kahit late na. Oh. Damn! Are you hungry? Hungry na kayo? Our lunch is gusto namin mag-lunch. So, nakakamiss din yung chicken na yun, opera na yun. Yeah! Going sa expo shop. And Steven, oh. Ah. Panis. Napili ka na. Mga bowl. Ng Uno cards. Ito maganda. Spider-Man na Uno Cards, maganda to. So we're here na sa It's a Small World. 20 minutes ang waiting time. Kaya siya ganyan. Boom! What? Tawa talaga yung It's a Small World na yan. Anak na, Steven, enjoy ka pa sa Small World. Tingnan naman dito, parang feeling mo nasa ano yun? Really, what's the name of the place?
Arendelle.
What?
Arendelle.
Arendelle. Papasok tayo sa TikTok Toys and Collectibles.
Yeah.
Hindi mo mabili. Show to me. Show to me. Naputol yung ulo. Wait. Punta mo sa ibang bansa. Ito lang ko yung nahanap mga gana to. Mga ref magnets. Sarap mag-collect eh. Tingin, show to me. Hola! Thank you po.
I eat all of
Arms.
body parts.
Ano masabi mo sa ice cream? Sarap diba?
Refreshing.
Sarap. Saan siya matamis? Show yung mga face niya. Oh no! Wait guys. Uy, malakit yung ilalim. Oh no! Yeah!
I see that.
Time check, 5:36 p.m. here in Hong Kong. Balik muna kami ng hotel. Kami nakapag-ayos ang gamit eh. Sakay muna kami ng bus. Then maghahanap siguro ng dinner siglet. See See you tomorrow, Disneyland. Yan, dito na kami sa 5th floor sa hotel. Room ano? 115 ano? 15 to 8. Ito na yung gamit namin. Guys, tingin dito. Guys. Yeah. Ah, 50-28 pala. Kala ko 15.
Mom, where should I put my shoes?
Wow.
We have a balcony. Oh yeah.
Saan? Oo, ano?
Visit.
Good evening, guys. It's 8 p.m. We're having dinner already. Nag-order na lang si Steph ng room service because
everyone is tired. We woke up early because kailangan namin nasa airport na kami by 5 a.m. So how's your
first day?
Good.
Enjoy ba kayo? So what we did today was ano lang naman, from the airport straight to
the park?
Sit sa park. Nag-check-in lang, tapos we left the bags, tapos nag-diretso sa park. Then yun nga, nag-ikot muna. Nag-ikot sa mga shop, ganyan. Pero hindi muna kami nag-ride, wala pa kami nag-ride. Bukas na lang. Oo nga, sorry, it's a small world. Sorry.
Kasi we checked kanina na most of the rides, sobrang long yung waiting time. It's a small world lang yung 20 minutes.
Tsaka ka-open lang because gawa nga nung
may typhoon signal number 3 daw sa kanila. So they closed all the outdoors. Kaya, although inopen din naman nila agad. Mga after an hour lang daw, inopen na agad. Pero ang dami pa rin tao kasi holiday pala ngayon. So maraming mga locals.
Holiday where?
Here.
Dito.
What holiday?
Tapos on the 7th, meron silang Mooncake Festival.
Ayun. So tomorrow, babalik tayo doon. So maaga tayo, medyo extra early kasi mag-breakfast tayo sa, ano yung Little Stars ba? Sa mga mascots. Then, si Bernice ay magpapaayos sa BBD Babidi Boutique bukas ng umaga. So, yun lang. So, don't
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Vlog.
So, day 1 is done. So, see you guys
See you at
tomorrow. Day 2. Night.
Bye!
Bye.